Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your places. So, this is the time for your science lessons. So, open your science textbook on page number 24. We'll continue our reading from our chapter all about senses. So, today our topic in that is why are our senses important to us? So, why are they important to us? As we all have discussed that if we don't have our senses, we could not enjoy all the things. Our senses allow us to enjoy the world around us. So, with the help of these senses, like our sense of sight, we can see different things around us. Our sense of hearing, we can hear music and listening of birds and all the sounds around us. With our sense of taste, we can taste many things. So, if our senses do not work properly, we could not see the world around us. Like we can see beautiful things as this boy is looking at the rainbow and the clouds. So, with the help of his sense of sight, he can see the things. We can also hear our favorite songs with our sense of hearing. Like this girl is hearing to music, that with the help of his sense of hearing, we can listen to different songs, we can enjoy music. Feel our parents' hugs and touch. As our parents hugs us and they touch us, so we can feel their hugs by our sense of touch. If we are not having this sense, we cannot feel if someone come and hug us. And smell and taste nice food. Like we are having lot of foods which we want to taste and we want to enjoy their taste, but if our sense of taste doesn't work properly, we could not enjoy the taste. There is an amazing fact related to sense of smell and sense of taste, that our sense of smell and taste work closely together. Both these senses work together. When we are having a cold and cannot smell so well, food seems to have less flavor. Like if we are feeling cold and our nose is not working properly, so we cannot smell the food that which we are tasting. Our senses help to keep us safe. Our senses also help us to keep us safe from danger. If there is look in this picture, there is a fire and this boy can smell the fire, and he knows that there is a fire in the kitchen. So if his sense of smell is not working properly, he could not smell the fire. Look at this boy and girl. The girl is Rita. Her name is Rita, and she is crossing the road. And the boy's name is Tom, and he is coming on his bicycle. So he blow up the horn. So if Rita's sense of hearing could not work properly, she could not hear the horn, and she could fall down when the bike come closer and hit her. Now come to next page. Our senses also help us learn about the world we live in. This is already highlighted in over here, that our senses also help us to learn, that our senses make us learn about the things around us. Like if we can see the flowers, we can learn about their color, and we can smell the flower, we could know about their smell, that how they smells. We use our senses to observe and collect informations. With the help of senses, we could see the world and all the informations which we are getting with our senses. Like if there is a rain, we could see the rain and we can tell that today it's raining outside. What do you observe about the flowers? Over here, Rita is sitting over here and she is looking at the flower. So look at the color of the flower. What's the color of the flower? It's blue. So you will circle blue like this. And its size, it is big in size. And order, it has a nice order. Now look at this plant. What's the color of this flower? The flower is white, red or brown. Here the color of flower is brown, so you will circle brown. And size, it is small in size. Order, it has a bad smell. By using our senses to observe, we can understand how things works and why things happen. So underline this word happen and things over here. So with the help of our senses, we can observe things and look at the things how they are working. Imagine what the world would be like if any of our senses stop working. Like just imagine yourselves that if your senses stop working, how the world would be. We could not see the world, we could not hear the music, we could not touch anything, we could not taste anything, and we could not smell anything. That's why we must protect our senses. So underline this word protect over here. And be aware of this. You should all take care of your sense organs, as these senses are very important for us in our life. Thank you so very much.